Title: Math Made Simple. A humorous guide to conquering calculations. Hey there, fellow mathematical adventurers. Are you ready to embark on a journey through the wild and wacky world of numbers, equations, and formulas? Well, buckle up your imaginary seatbelts and prepare to have your funny bone tickled as we dive into the realm of mathematics. First things first, let's tackle the basics. You know, those pesky numbers that seem to pop up everywhere, from your grocery bill to the dimensions of your pizza. Because let's be real, pizza sizes matter. Numbers are like the spice of life, except instead of adding flavor to your food, they add order to the chaos of the universe. And if you think about it, life without numbers would be like a pizza without cheese, totally bland and utterly confusing. Next up, let's talk about equations. Now, equations are like the secret codes of the mathematical universe. They're mysterious, they're powerful, and they're often surrounded by a cloud of intrigue, or maybe that's just the chalk dust from your math teacher's board. But fear not, brave souls. Solving equations is just like solving a mystery, except instead of hunting down clues, you're hunting down x and y's. And trust me, finding the value of x is way more satisfying than finding out who stole the last slice of pizza. Now, let's take a stroll down the hallowed halls of formulas. Formulas are like the recipe cards of mathematics. They tell you exactly what ingredients you need and how to mix them together to create something magical, or at least something that makes sense. Whether it's calculating the area of a circle or figuring out the velocity of a runaway train, because apparently math can save lives. Formulas are your trusty guides through the mathematical wilderness. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in math that's as entertaining as it is enlightening. So the next time you find yourself faced with a daunting equation or a perplexing formula, just remember, math is nothing to be afraid of. It's just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a date with a slice of pizza and a calculator. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Unlocking the Mysteries of Mathematics, a comprehensive guide introduction. Welcome, intrepid learners, to a journey through the fascinating world of mathematics. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into 4 key areas: geometry, algebra, calculus, and statistics. Through a series of examples and exercises, we'll explore fundamental concepts, equations, and formulas, unraveling the mysteries of each discipline step by step. 1. Geometry. Example: finding the area of a triangle. Step 1. Understand the formula. The area, A, of a triangle can be calculated using the formula A equals a half base height. The base and height are perpendicular to each other, forming a right angle. Step 2. Apply the formula. Let's consider a triangle with a base of 6 units and a height of 4 units. Substitute the values into the formula. A equals a half 6 4 equals 12 square units. Exercise 1. Calculate the area of a rectangle. Given a rectangle with a length of 8 units and a width of 5 units, find the area. Explanation: the area, A, of a rectangle is calculated using the formula A equals length width. Substitute the given values. A equals 8 5 equals 40 square units. So, the area of the rectangle is 40 square units. 2. Algebra. Example: solving a linear equation. Step 1. Understand the equation. A linear equation is an equation of the form x plus b equals c, where a, b, and c are constants, and x is the variable. Step 2. Solve the equation. Let's solve the equation 2x plus 3 equals 11. First, subtract 3 from both sides to isolate the term with x. 2x equals 8. Then, divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. X equals 4. Exercise 2. Solve for x in the equation 3x2 equals 15. Given the equation 3x2 equals 15, find the value of x. Explanation: First, distribute the 3. 3x6 equals 15. Add 6 to both sides to isolate the term with x. 3x equals 21. Finally, divide both sides by 3 to solve for x. X equals 7. 3. Calculus. Example. Finding the derivative of a function. Step 1. Understand the concept. The derivative of a function represents its rate of change or slope at a given point. It's calculated using the limit definition of the derivative. F'(x) equals LIMH'0 fx plus h, fx hour. Step 2. Apply the definition. Let's find the derivative of the function fx equals x2. Substitute the function into the limit definition. F'(x) equals LIMH'0 x plus h2 x2 hour. Expand and simplify the expression. F'(x) equals LIMH'0 x2 plus 2hx plus h2 x2 hour equals LIMH'0 2x plus h equals 2x. Exercise 3. Find the derivative of the function g(x) equals 3x3 2x2 plus 5x. Calculate the derivative of the function g(x) equals 3x3 2x2 plus 5x. Explanation. Use the power rule to find the derivative of each term. G'(x) equals 9x2 4x plus 5. 4. Statistics. Example. Calculating the mean of a data set. Step 1. Understand the concept. The mean or average of a data set is calculated by summing all the values and dividing by the total number of values. Step 2. Apply the formula. Let's find the mean of the data set 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Add all the values. 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 equals 100. Since there are 5 values, divide the sum by 5. Mean equals 105 equals 20. Exercise 4. Calculate the median of the data set 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Determine the median of the given data set. Explanation. Arrange the data set in ascending order. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Since there are 6 values, the median is the average of the 2 middle values. Median equals 15 plus 22 equals 17.5. Conclusion. Congratulations on completing this journey through the realms of geometry, algebra, calculus, and statistics. By mastering these fundamental concepts and equations, you've unlocked the door to a world of mathematical possibilities. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, math is not just a subject, it's a tool for understanding the universe. Happy calculating! As we conclude our journey through the captivating world of mathematics, it's important to mention the significance of community engagement in spreading knowledge and fostering learning opportunities. If you found this guide informative, entertaining, or even just mildly amusing, we encourage you to show your support by engaging with the content. Liking, sharing, and commenting on this video not only provide valuable feedback, but also help increase its visibility and importance within the online community. Your interactions contribute to building a vibrant and interactive learning environment, where individuals from all walks of life can come together to explore the wonders of mathematics. Additionally, subscribing to the YouTube channel ensures that you stay updated on future content releases, allowing you to continue your mathematical journey with us and helping us reach a broader audience of curious minds. So, whether you've discovered a newfound appreciation for geometry, algebra, calculus, or statistics, or you simply enjoyed the humorous approach to mathematical concepts, we invite you to take a moment to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Together, we can inspire a love for learning and empower others to embrace the beauty of mathematics. Thank you for your support, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep spreading the joy of mathematics.